was mine. It's the world was ending. Business was
Ang galing.
Ayun na lahat.
Sige.
Namatol ko na.
Ulit na lang, ulit.
Gusto mo yung water sounds like para magaling na ako doon.
O, sige nga.
Eh,
Sabi mo, parang magaling ka na doon.
titigil ka yung kanta ko.
Nasaan?
Hindi na ako. Pakinggan mo lang.
Okay. Wala, hindi ko naririnig. Dapat kumanta ka rin kasi hindi ko naririnig eh. Okay.
Dito na. Wait. Wait. Bibidyo ko dito kung kayang video.
Ano?
Hindi ko mahanap. Saan na yung
Eh, nawala yung video mo.
Ito na.
Ibalik mo yung video mo muna. Ayan. O, game.
Hindi maano pag nasa video. Mawawala ako.
Ah, di sige.
So, ayaw gumana.
O, sige, mama. Ano na lang. Kumanta ka na lang ng, ano yun? Yung magaling ka na?
Yung golden.
Sige, game.
Go. Ha. Dujin. Ha. Katukin. Ha. Give it a drone. I don't know. Ha. To believe. I was a queen, but not to be a little last drop. Pick from side, but I can't find my own place. Call it random show, cause I got too wild. But now that I'm getting back for the truth that I'm done. Now I'm shining like a moon. We're dreaming hurricane so far. I believe we're going up, so above it. Going, going. Up, in our voice. Yes, the girls around here. I'm gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done.
Now I'm shining.
Like a moon.
Ganabi.
It's so low, the breathing one to wake up and put this mother all in the right now. Everybody living the
Galing.
girl no hiding now I'm shine like a bullet. They're dreaming the heart. It's so far now, I believe we're going up, up, sound pub. You gotta go, up, Boston. You just slap it, golden. Oh, I'm done hiding. Shining. Ay, natapos na.
Tapos na. Galing. Eh, yung isa, yung kahapon na kinanta mong isa. Ano ba yun?
Hindi ko na yung boses ko.
Bakit?
Yung lalamunan ko at yung boses.
Dapat mag-water ka. Para hindi, sumakit yung lalamunan mo. Parang may hinahanap ka na naman. Hmm. Gonna be golden. It's gonna be golden. Whoa, 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 whoa.
You're gonna so up, gonna be golden. Oh, don't hide them now. Shining like
Yung
oh,
take down.
and po
Take down.
down, wag ka maingay. Take down, Kuya Tede! Take down, and take down to the wall. It's a take down. The future is my eye, but it is on the side. Hold us with love, can have feeling. But the street is by everyone in the zero face. It's as ugly as them. Time to put you on your fight. Goes around all the time. When you feel start to show, I don't wanna grow on my face. I don't think you ready for take down. I'm the whatsoever. Casserole said, yeah, it's a take down. Pag nga pa, sabihin ko ito yung take up.
Wala naman na eh. Wala yata.
Ayoko.
Diyan ba? Papakantahin ko yon. Paalala mo ha, yung papalitan niya yung sinira niyang gamit. Nasaan? Sabihin ko muna sa kanya.
Kuya, wag mo yung galawin! Kuya, Tandi.
Kuya Thirdy, papaalala ko lang sa'yo. Yung yung nasira mo na gamit ni Eliza, yung ginawa niyang fan. Papalitan mo yan ha, gagawa ka na gagawan mo si Eliza ng ganon kasi nasira mo yung kanya. Ayun ang parusa ko sa'yo. Nasaan na? Ba't hindi nasagot?
Tandi. Opo.
Bukas ha, titignan ko kung nagawa mo na. Bukas.
Bye, must be.
Liza, paalala mo ha.
Pag hindi, ano?
Pag hindi, hindi na yan love talaga. Hindi na kasama mag-McDo yan.
Pag bukas, hindi ginawa,
Kailangan gawin niya bukas. Kailangan gawin.
Tapos, pag hindi niya natapos.
Hindi, kailangan tapusin niya sa susunod na araw. Pero kailangan niyang gawin bukas. Turuan mo na lang para matapos niya agad.
Okay.
Baka hindi siya marunong gumawa, kaya ganun.
Ba't niya sinira yun sa akin?
Kaya nga eh. Kaya ang parusa sa kanya, gawain niya yon. Palitan. Gets? Nasaan na ba yon?
Opo.
Okay ha. Ayan, yung ganyan niya ha, Kuya Thirdy.
Eh, Pacho, maglalaro namin ni Kuya Thirdy.
O sige, tapos later, tatawag na lang ako pag dumating si Daddy Dimple ha.
Bye!
Okay, bye-bye. Kuya Thirdy, bye! Your assignment is ha? To make yung nasira. Kailangan mong i-fix yun or gumawa ng bago.
Bye-bye!
Bye!
Bye-bye!